Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope that those are watching my video, all of you are doing fit and fine. So today in this video I'd like to show you a little turmeric field. Actually turmeric mara hocche holud. So right now I have come to this turmeric field. As you can see, look over there. There are some jute plant here, as you can see. And in this side, look over there. Come with me, I'll show you the another side of this turmeric field. You can see. Okay, there's the another field of this turmeric field, and this is the another jute plant field. So actually that's not my turmeric field. Actually this is my grandfather's turmeric field, and I have come here to see this turmeric field, and I'm showing you. Moreover, as you can see, there are some paddy field over here, and look, this is a paddy plant. And another side, you can see over there are so many paddy field over here, and in this side you can see there are so many mango trees and unknown trees over here. And look over there are some palm trees and mango trees. Look over there are some palm trees over there. And in this side, this is that is a village. The village name is Buduria Adivasi Para. And over there in this side, look over there, the sunrise. Okay, that's all today's video. Now I will go my workplace. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.